Hello and welcome to Stained Glass Gaming, where I usually turn video games into glass. But in this video, I want to go over some rules for requesting something to be turned into stained glass. I know I mentioned the rules in the Aperture Science video, but I know not everyone will have watched it, and I also wanted to make some additional things clear. Number 1. Video games only. I know that there are tons of things from anime, TV shows, etc. I am only focusing on video games, but I might branch out in the future. Number 2. In-game image only. No fan art. I don't feel it's right if I use art that somebody else has made. Now technically, I am using art made by developers, but if other people can draw, paint, and create art from something a developer made, I feel it's okay as long as I am not claiming the things I turn into stained glass are my own. I am not claiming anything I make, past, present, and future, is my own. My drawing, painting, and digital art skills are pretty much non-existent. Stained glass is something I enjoy and am good at. There may be special cases where I will have to use fan art, and in the event I do, I will give proper credit. An example will be the Pokeballs from the Pokemon series. Number 3. Be specific. I know that in the world of video games, things change, be it the look of a weapon, armor, logo, etc. If there's something you want me to make, give as many details as you can. Number 4. Not too complex. This rule, I admit, is a little vague. Depending on the image turned into stained glass, it may be more complex than I can handle. Once I find an image, I break it up into parts. I draw everything using various programs to see how it would look and if I can make it with the tools I have. If the image has too many pieces and is unrecognizable, I won't make it. Or, if the image has a specific color of glass that is too expensive/hard to get, I won't make it. Sometimes I will have to alter the image, such as simplifying the number of pieces or not making everything using glass. I can't promise I will make everything that is requested, but I will do my best. Number 5. Have patience. I do this as a hobby and don't make any money from this. I do have a life outside of YouTube, but I still want to make videos. Depending on the complexity of the project and tools I have, there may be a video once a week, once every other week, once every few weeks. You get the point. I also want to give away what I make, because I know not everyone can afford stained glass. But if all I did was give away my glass, I wouldn't be able to keep the channel going. Stained glass supplies are expensive, and at some point in the future, I do want to start a Patreon page, but it's not possible at the moment. When I do start a Patreon page, I will be sure to let you all know. Like, share, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you would like to see me make down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all through the next pane.